Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about to GDP. What is the GDP? I hope many people did not know the GDP. So I am telling about GDP. Many times you may have heard around you on newspaper about GDP. Full form of GDP, gross domestic and produce. So what is GDP? What is GDP? Gross means total and domestic means within the political boundaries of India. Product means goods and service which are products within year. See you and buy only see you be see you can earn money by only two ways. Either you produce some things like some people's and produce cars, bottles, toys and more. So you can earn money be only two ways. Either you produce some things like some people's are producing car, bottles, toys and etc. and mobiles, or you give some service like a doctors, lawyers, engineers. They peoples gives service or anymore provide something by working in a goods. The value of these goods and service. Value means if you have cut the hair in 100 rupees, then it value is 100 rupees. Or if you bill about a bottles or for 10 rupees, so this is value of 10 rupees. The value of all these goods and service with your within country in called GDP. If a company of USA comes to India to manufacture something, then it will be counted in the GDP of India. It will not be counted in the GDP of the USA. So why we focus so much on make in India countries? Let us let us understand this with the help of an examples. Assume assume there is a mall. Some shop are selling clothes and dates. Some are clothing hairs. All provides the service and goods and service being sold any every floor. If note the value of every sold items and we do it for a year, and at last we add them, so that will be GDP of that mall and for the years. In the same way, how much goods, service and pro are products in country with a year, it's is its GDP. So that's